Hey there, egg enthusiasts! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of boiled eggs. Are they a golden ticket to health or just another yolk? Let's find out. The boiled egg, simple, versatile, and packed with nutrients. But can eating them every day really be that excellent for your health? Let's start by looking at the pros. First up, let's talk about the sunny side of eating boiled eggs daily. These little orbs are nutritional powerhouses. Packed with protein, one large boiled egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair, making you stronger and keeping you feeling full longer. Rich in vitamins and minerals, boiled eggs are a great source of vitamins A, D, B12, and minerals like selenium and choline. These nutrients support everything from your vision to your immune system and brain health. Good for your eyes. Speaking of vision, boiled eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of cataracts. Supports weight loss. Eggs are low in calories but high in protein and healthy fats. This combination can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Heart health. Contrary to old beliefs, recent studies suggest that moderate egg consumption can actually improve your cholesterol levels by raising HDL, good cholesterol, and potentially lowering LDL, bad cholesterol. But wait, before you start boiling eggs by the dozen, let's crack open the potential downsides. Cholesterol content. While eggs can improve cholesterol for some, they are still high in dietary cholesterol, about 186 milligrams per egg. If you have certain health conditions, like diabetes or a predisposition to heart disease, too many eggs could be problematic. Saturated fat. Eggs contain saturated fat, which in excess can contribute to heart disease. It's important to balance your diet with other healthy fats. Risk of allergies. Some people are allergic to eggs. If you experience any symptoms like hives, swelling, or difficulty breathing after eating eggs, it's best to avoid them and consult a doctor. Digestive issues. Eating too many eggs might cause digestive discomfort in some people. Moderation is key to avoiding issues like bloating or gas. Boring breakfasts. Eating the same thing every day can get a bit repetitive. Variety is important in maintaining a balanced diet and keeping your meals exciting. Now that we've looked at the pros and cons, let's spice things up with 3 fun and delicious ways to enjoy boiled eggs. Egg salad with a twist. Mash your boiled eggs with a dollop of Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, chopped celery, green onions, and a pinch of paprika. Serve it on whole grain toast or lettuce wraps for a tasty, protein-packed meal. Avocado egg boats. Cut an avocado in half and remove the pit. Scoop out a little more avocado to make room for a halved boiled egg. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and chili flakes for a nutritious and Instagram-worthy snack. Deviled eggs with a kick. Mix the yolks of boiled eggs with a bit of mayonnaise, a dash of hot sauce, and a sprinkle of smoked paprika. Pipe the mixture back into the egg whites and garnish with chopped chives for a spicy twist on a classic favorite. So there you have it, folks. Eating boiled eggs every day can be a great way to boost your nutrition. Just be mindful of the potential downsides and remember to enjoy them in moderation. And with these tasty recipe ideas, you'll never get bored of your egg-cellent breakfasts again. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun and factual food adventures.